Welcome to part 3 of our second tutorial series. This second series of tutorials focuses on application-specific features of the RoboLogix simulation software package. Let's take a moment to review what's been covered in Series 2 so far. In Part 1, we covered how to delete a program instruction, how to insert a program instruction, and how to use the spot welding application with the spot weld and path weld instructions. In addition, we covered how path segments can be defined as well as prioritized. Our Part 2 tutorial used the arc weld application. We covered how to cycle through stored register positions, as well as performed a point-to-point weld using the arc weld instruction. In today's Part 3 tutorial, we'll be working with the spray painting application environment. This application uses the same control panel teach pendant as was used for the arc welding and spot welding applications in our first two tutorials. In addition, the core set of instructions are identical. However, two application-specific painting instructions exist for this environment: the point-to-point spray painting instruction and the PATHPAINT instruction. We'll start by taking a look at the PATHPAINT instruction using a simple program. The PATHPAINT instruction works the same way as the path weld instruction did in the welding applications. A single continuous path or multiple path segments can be defined by the user simply by clicking the mouse. Defining path segments was covered in our Part 1 tutorial. You may want to pause the video here and review that technique. As with our other path type instructions, this instruction is extremely easy to use. When adding this instruction to your program, not only do you define a segment number, you also need to specify a paint color. Multiple instances of the instruction can be used to paint a single index segment at a time. The user also has the option of using the 0 index value to paint all segments in their index order. A total of 16 different colors are available for use with the PATHPAINT instruction. In addition to having a PATHPAINT instruction, this application also has a specialized version of a point-to-point instruction for painting. And just like the point-to-point welding instruction, the spray painting version of the point-to-point instruction will reference two target locations that have been previously stored in the position register. In addition to defining the starting and ending position register index values, the point-to-point spray painting instruction allows the user to define the color and thickness of each point-to-point pass. You can select from 3 different thicknesses to vary the coverage area. Multiple instances of this instruction can be used in a program. In this tutorial, we've illustrated a couple instances of special case instructions. These instructions are tailored to the end effector being used, in this case, a spray gun. It's important to note that there's no reason that these two instruction types can't be used in the same program. This brings our Part 3 tutorial to a conclusion. In our fourth and final tutorial Series 2 video, we'll return to the pick and place application and delve into the usage of the palletize instruction.